Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow backlink, and also we can publish article on that website. So the website name is roma.com, and I can also provide this website URL over the description section so where you guys can access this website easily. So this is the website dashboard, and before they started we can research something about this website. So according to SimilarWeb, this website having 229k. This is a total monthly visitors, and the mostly traffic from USA, Poland, France, Germany, Japan. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you want to increase crawlability, audience, and the traffic source from that kind of country, so you guys have to create your backlink and publish your article on that website. Any specific targeted region are your respective business. And according to Moj, this website having a 52 domain authority and the spam score is only 2%. And according to Acharya, the domain rating is 53. So everything is perfect for the article creation and the do follow backlink creations. Okay, so this is the website dashboard, and you guys will see there is a profile button. You guys have to click over there, and there is an option to you guys have to go with a create account button, and there you guys can add your username, and after that you guys can choose your email ID, then you guys can choose your passwords, and you guys have to re-verify your passwords, and you guys have to verify your captcha. Then you can click for the create account button, and you guys will see our profile has been created. And the first thing, you guys have to optimize your profile details. So there is a setting button, you guys have to click over there, and you guys will see this is your profile landing page URL. So you guys will add your all details. So there you guys can update your username, your profile image, and there you guys can add your display name, and where your targeted country. So you guys have to add your targeted country, because which country your businesses are working. So we are providing services, mainly our business from USA. Then you guys have to add about your company. So I'm just copying the company description throughout my LinkedIn. It should be going to take more my and your time. So, and there you guys can add your social details. Okay, so in the website section I can go to add website URL, and also we have a social channels. So there you guys can add your Facebook URL, and if you're having a Twitter, so you guys can also. So we have added all details, and I can show you first thing. Okay, so you guys have to add your description under 500 characters. So you will see our profile details has been updated, and we can update again our website logo. Now let me click to save setting button. Okay, so this is only accepting in JPG. So we have right now I'm having HTML format. I'm having a logo in HTML format. So you guys have to update your all details, and after that you guys will see this is your profile landing page URL, and you can check in incognito. So your profile details has been updated. So you guys will see this is our website URL, and I can show you this is a do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So now we can move forward with the next step. So how you guys will publish your article on that website. So you guys will see there is a create button. You guys have to click over there, and the first thing, you guys have to verify your profile. So this website have sended you a verification email over your email ID. So firstly you guys have to verify your profile. So we received, and now we can verify it. So you guys will see the profile has been verified. So now we can go with a same process. So you guys have to go with a create account button, create button, and there is, you guys will see there is a title button. You guys have to add your title. So right now I don't have a fresh article, but we have published some article over our website, so I can copy. So this is my article title, and you guys have to choose your category. Vendor AC model 3D productions. Okay. And after that, you guys have to add something about this article. So I can go to copy this website description. And in the article section, you guys have to add your overall article. Okay. So let me copy it, and you guys will see. And if you guys can insert, if you want to insert hyperlink any your targeted keyword, so simply you guys have to select your keyword, and you guys will see there is a link insert button. There you guys can add your website URL in the example section. Okay. So simply you can remove it because we have already added. And another thing you guys have to I can just copy the little bit content, I can paste it over there. Okay, so image will be also inserted, and first, okay, let me copy it all the details, and I can going to update it over there. So you guys will see we have updated all the details, but the your case you guys have to optimize your article very precise way, so it should be going to look like a genuine. But I'm just doing to you guys will need to save me and your time. Okay, in the tag section, if you guys are having tags, so you guys can add your tags. And if you want to add a preview image, so you guys have to update your preview image. So let me download it. Just so you guys will see we have updated a preview image also. And once you guys can complete all the things, then you guys have to click for the create button. So you guys will see our article has been published now. This is a instant approval backlink, and I can also show you in incognito tab. So it's a approved backlink, approved article backlink. Oh my god. Let me check if is there anything. Okay, so you guys will see this is in a waiting for approval. So once your article is, it should be going to approve now. So you guys will see once this website moderator will approve your article, then you guys are able to see your article anywhere. Okay, so once your and I can show you this is a nofollow dofollow backlink. So you guys will see if your article going to approve, you guys will get a dofollow backlink. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, you can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can access all the details easily. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.